Okay, so moving on from just using Python as a calculator, the other thing we can do is we can use the print function here. We can use that to display pieces of text as well. Okay, so I know that's not really maths, but we can say things like, I am 13 years old. Okay, so notice here we've replaced the mathematical expression with some text that is enclosed within quotation marks. Okay, so anything that we put in between quotation marks will be treated as a piece of text and it will be displayed verbatim on the screen. Okay, so that will say I am 13 years old. Okay, so you can really, you can have multiple statements like this, okay? And you can just type in another print function underneath that and type something else, okay? It will be my birthday tomorrow, okay? And Python will run one line at a time and display that one after another like that. So that's the print function. A function in Python is a word followed by, parentheses, and that is indicating to Python that it's about to do something. Another function which is a little bit of fun to kind of get you started with is, instead of using print, we're going to change that word to say. Okay, so this is also a function because it's a word followed by parentheses, and what it will do here is actually use the speaker to emit those words in a vocal form. Okay, so if we run this now,
I am 13 years old.
So notice it speaks that through the speaker, and then it displays this as text because we've got a say function followed by a print function. So that is a very quick overview of how functions work in Python.